gear house. So today we have an off-road helmet with us, which is the AIROH Strycker. Let's unbox it. Good packing for an off-road helmet. AIROH helmets are quite nice, so they're quite comfortable as well. Heard a lot about them. I've never used one AIROH helmet before, but yeah, heard like good things, real good things about them. So this is the AIROH Strycker motocross or enduro helmet. So I don't have like a lot of experience with enduro. I'm more of a on-road kind of a guy. I've had some experience, probably like a little bit of off-road here and there, but it's not like proper enduro or MX. So this is a proper off-road helmet. They also make road-based helmets. They also make modular helmets, and they also make like adventure helmets, what you could say. This also is a HPC outer shell. It's quite well built, surprisingly light for what I was expecting, because it looks like quite a big helmet. Really love the graphics on it. It also comes with a double D-ring, and this pretty much, you don't get any lenses or screen or anything with it because it's off-road helmet. You have to buy like a separate goggles to which goes on the helmet. So we have a Scott, which I'm going to be pairing up with the helmet. So these are off-road goggles. Scott is a very good company as well for off-road goggles. But you can go for anything. You can go for Scott, you can go for 100%, you can go for Oakley, you can whatever is your personal preference and your budget, because that plays a big role. This helmet is like a mid-level helmet. So you have the Aviator, which is the top of the line AIROH helmets. So those are quite nice, but they're quite pricey as well. So you'll have to shell out quite like around 400, 500 pounds just for that. So it's quite nice, but yeah, it's like the value for money helmet you can go to. There's also a lower range as well for like the entry-level helmets. Those are also quite good, I've heard. I haven't had the chance to have a look at them or try them or anything, but this is like the sweet spot, I feel. So it has the safety, it has the look, and it has the budget for us to buy such a helmet. So fit-wise, this also comes with a double D-ring for safety, which is very important. It's got like a very good fit. Cushions are quite comfortable. So long riding hours, quite good. Fit is quite good. I'm running an XL, so it's true to size. Yeah, quite comfortable. So yeah, you have to buy these additionally. It doesn't come with the helmet, so you have to pay extra for it. Depending on your budget, you can have you have a lot of variety. But the fit is quite good. It's quite this is very useful because in case dirt, slush, whatever comes, it won't go in your eyes because this kind of seals up your eye area. So this is pretty much what they use for MX motocross dirt racing, because this is quite nice. So this is a beautiful helmet, beautiful looking, I really like the color scheme with the yellow, grey and blue. So yeah, I unfortunately haven't got a chance to ride with any of this. I really want to give it a go. We'll see. I'll be riding once I get a chance, probably anytime. I will kind of give an update on how I feel riding this on the road, because presently in the UK, you can't. These helmets are designed to be off-road helmets. They're not like a on-road helmet kind of a thing. So if you're going too fast, it's not meant for sports bikes. It's pretty much like adventure bikes or street fighters, which is quite good. But then it's not for high speed, basically. So if you go like a super sport, these are not the helmets for using on those kind of bikes. Because anytime you go above a certain speed, above 60 miles per hour or 70 miles per hour, with the wind force, this will start pushing upwards. So you'll start feeling, like a push. So it's not good for, your face or the helmet or your safety of others as well. So it's kind of compromises it. So this is a low speed helmet, or I won't say low speed, but yeah, it's like a off-road helmet, not a super sport helmet. Because I know this is an odd thing for many people, but a lot of people I've seen kind of sometimes wear these kind of helmets on super sports, which is kind of odd to me, honestly. But yeah, if you feel like it's not the right thing, you can, please voice your opinion. I don't mind, because it's just personal opinion. But yes, this is the AIROH Strycker. This is a shaded yellow color scheme. If you have any questions, do let me know. I can answer them. Once I get I spend more time on the road with the helmet, I'll have a better idea. So I can give you like an update later on the road of how it performs on the road. But as of now, as the products come and how it looks and how it feels, the fit and finish is quite good, and I'm quite happy with it. So yeah, thank you for logging in, and I'll see you again for another video.